Let's try an example. So the first term in this set of parentheses is x, and the first term in this set of parentheses is also x. So we would multiply x times x, and these would represent our first terms. The outer terms of this expression are x and 2. So we would multiply x times 2, and these would represent our outer terms. The inner terms of this expression are 1 and x, so we would multiply 1 times x, and these would represent our inner terms. The last term in this set of parentheses is 1, and the last term in this set of parentheses is 2, so we would multiply 1 times 2, and this would represent our last terms. Now we can simplify by multiplying these factors, and we would get x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. And now we can combine like terms, and we'll get x squared plus 3x plus 2. And this will be our final answer. Okay, now let's try a slightly harder example. So like in the last example, the first terms in each of these parentheses is x, so we would multiply x times x. And these would represent our first terms. Now the outer terms are x and negative 4, because 4 is being subtracted from x in the set of parentheses, so we would multiply x times negative 4. And these would represent our outer terms. Now the inner terms are 3 and x, so we would multiply 3 times x, and these would represent our inner terms. And the last terms are 3 and negative 4, because remember, 4 is being subtracted from x, so we would multiply 3 times negative 4, and these would represent our last terms. So now we can simplify like we did in the previous example, and we would get x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. And now we can combine like terms, and we'll get x squared minus x minus 12. And this will be our final answer.